Hello West Point graduates. On this video, we're going to teach you how to download the brand new WP-AOG Sallyport app on your mobile device. Sallyport, which includes a newly enhanced GradLink community, is a platform that the West Point Association of Graduates provides at no cost for all West Point graduates, societies, and shared interest groups to manage their memberships, host event registrations, and for leaders to communicate with members. The GradLink integration provides a more streamlined networking experience, further enabling the connectivity of the long gray line. The Sallyport platform can also be accessed online via web browser by typing in sallyport.westpointaog.org. The first thing you're going to do is search WP AOG Sallyport on your mobile device's app store. Sallyport is available on both the Google Play and Apple app stores. Once you have found the app on your mobile app store, click Download. After the app is completed downloading, please open the app. Upon opening the app, you will be brought to the login page. Please note that every graduate has a pre-made profile, so all you have to do is click Activate Your Account at the bottom of the screen. Upon clicking Activate Your Account, you will be brought to a screen where you have to fill out some brief contact information, including your first name, last name, and name at graduation if it differs from your first and last name currently, for instance, those who have a maiden name. Your primary email address on record with the AOG, your class year, your constituency code, and a CAPTCHA code for security purposes. Now please note, your login for the AOG website will not work for Sallyport, but we do encourage you to use the same email. Also, your visibility on Sallyport will be determined by your constituency code. Only West Point graduates will be able to access the GradLink community feature on Sallyport. All associate members, ex-cadets, friends of West Point, parents, widows or widowers, and AOG staff will have limited rights based on their relationship to the long gray line. If for some reason you feel your profile does not have the appropriate rights, please email sallyport@wpaog.org in order to update your account. Once you have successfully filled out all the brief contact information above, type in the CAPTCHA code and click your consent, allowing the AOG to use this information to build a profile and to regulate access to the platform. Finally, click Activate Your Account and you will get a confirmation page thanking you for requesting to join Sallyport. Once you have been approved, you will receive a follow-up email from sallyport@wpaog.org with final steps to get logged on, including creating a password. For further assistance, you can always call the WP-AOG Alumni Services Department at 845-446-1612. We thank you for joining Sallyport.